Hey everyone, today we're going to go over a quick guide for using the B6 version 2 balance charger. I'll be charging my 300 milliamp 11.1 volt airsoft battery, but this applies to LiPo and lithium batteries. Let's dive in. Setting up the charger. When you first turn on the charger, you'll see a few different options. Use the battery type/stop button to scroll through and find LiPo settings. This is the one you'll use for both LiPo and lithium ion. Step 2. Choose between charge modes. Once you're in LiPo mode, you'll have two different key options, LiPo storage and LiPo balance. Let's break these down. LiPo storage. This setting is useful if you're not planning to use your battery for a few days. LiPo balance. This is the setting you'll use when charging for regular use. Step 3. Setting the charging current. Now that we're in LiPo balance mode, it's time to set the charging current. To do this, you'll want to take the milliamp hour of the battery and divide it by 1,000 to convert it to amps. For example, my 3,000 milliamp battery, I'll set the charging rate to 3 amps. Also, make sure you've selected the correct number of cells. A 7.4 battery is 2 cells, and a 11.1 battery is a 3 cell. Step 5. Connecting the battery. Next, we'll plug in the battery. Start with the balance connector, the small one, followed up with the negative black lead and the positive red lead. Safety tip. Before you start charging, remember to place your battery in a fireproof bag. It's always a good idea to charge on a non-flammable surface, just to be extra cautious. Step 6. While charging, make sure you're in the same room while the battery charges. It's good practice to stay nearby in case anything goes wrong. Once you've selected the correct charging method, you'll press the enter button, press and hold the enter button, and press the enter button again to start the process. Tip. Setting storage charge. If you're setting the charger to storage mode, the charging current should be half of what you'd use for regular charging. So for my 3,000 milliamp battery, I'd set it to 1.5 amps. Once the charger finishes, it will beep to let you know it's done. And that's it. Your battery is now safely charged and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Peace.